Yes, we have Origin, but there's nothing like this. Welcome to the Anzac Day clash at the SCG. And it's George Burgess. He's done many things in rugby league, but it's his first time playing this game. Verrills off that quick play the ball. As Walker to Tedesco. And then back slam here. Oh, Zach gives one away. Tedesco wiped out last year after 34 minutes. He's fine here. He's certainly given some treatment.
Yeah, he's got great strength, Zach Lomax, and you can see that Tedesco just looked at the last minute to get free of that tackle from Ben Hunt around the legs, and I'm not so sure about that.
100 metres a game as now comes to Walker, on to Kiri, Tedesco. Now Momirovski gets away from Lomax, but now Momirovski
is in trouble.
Is gone. That's a big victory for the Dragons.
Yeah, just watch the work from Jack Bird here. They flipped him over onto the right-hand side defensively because the Roosters are sending a lot of attack. Bird, one of the great...
With McCulloch onto the Bellin. The early ball for Hunt, back inside. Maguire. Dropped down by Collins. Two more up top. Now Hunt. Oh! Straight down the middle! Frank Molo! A moment he will never, ever forget. And it's the big prop forward who scores first on Anzac Day.
Yeah, brilliant play. They've repelled the Roosters' attack. It's been a huge amount of possession that they've had to defend. And it's big Frankie Molo. We said they were going through the front door. Hunt deep into the line. Tupanua rocking out. And Frank Molo with great leg speed just rampages straight through the Roosters' defensive line. And the Dragons on top early. That's a lovely short ball. Ben Hunt, another try assist. His numbers really starting to make a tally.
So Lomax, Manu continues to hobble as he just stays out of it. Now this could be a contest, this bomb, and it fools the ball. Lomax tries to put his nose in front of Tupou, and now, Ravalawa. He just couldn't quite hurl it back. Comes from Verrills, on to Kiri. Here's Tedesco, cut out Tupou. Too much work for him to do. Just goes to ground quickly. Now back it comes to the middle as Butcher on to Takayaha. It opens up here. Oh, Walker! Oh, Walker straight through. Almost too easy. Perhaps it was too easy. Yeah, Dragons immediately protesting, and it's going up as no try.
Yeah, we're looking at either an obstruction or a potential shepherd from Siwa Takiyaho. Watch this, attracts Maguire and DeBellin. That gave great space to Kiri, and he just catches on the inside.
Walker catches the ball inside Angus Crichton.
He
continues to run around his own man, which affects Moses Suli's ability to defend.
Which is a real shame because Suli had already...
One try in nearly 25 minutes as Bird's quick hands for Sewer. Again, a sea of light blue there to meet him. Comes out for Bird. Gets it onto Hunt. Holding it and providing for Mbai. The bullet for Suli, who eventually gets rid of Manu, but the cover from Luke Keary. The last tackle. And Hunt for the contest. Momirovski behind him. Sewer scores. It's a Dragons try. They've got two. The happy Dragon points to the spot, and the Dragons are happy in the crowd. This is some start from the Red V.
Now, the only question marks will be, does Zach Lomax touch the footing? Now, that's who they're kicking for. Hunt, again, with his hands all over it. A nice kick across field. Looks like it goes off Momirovski there. Does Lomax touch it? It bounces up into the arms of Jaden Sewer.
Well, Momirovski wasn't protesting. He seemed disappointed in himself. Well, this will tell us.
Yeah, no, looked like it came off Momirovski. Just unable to hang on to it. Jaden Sewer brings it round under the post at the southern end here of the S.
For the first time, Hunt would be from distance, but it comes to Bird. This is tricky. Now Lomax in open space. He's got Bird on the inside. Ravalawa on the out. That is off Walker. Oh, Bird! Smashed by Suali. Massive tackle. That was the first.
Good, really good. Ben Hunt starting to take on the line,
Now
and someone taken out on suspicion.
Penalty in front.
Off the ball.
A penalty in front and a chance to move 3 scores clear.
Earned themselves a penalty. There it is. Laurie.
Go down and you think, oh, well, that's the end of him for a few weeks, and he sees out the game. There's the kick. 14-0. This is becoming a mountain for the Roosters to climb. And the Dragons are going to keep a clean sheet going into half-time. So St George Illawarra, for the first time, keep their opposition scoreless at the break. Far away from opening, but here we are at the SCG, and the second half begins. Lomax one-on-one with Momorowski. They're having a good battle. Momorowski just grabbed him by the end of the arm. Lomax kept it alive. Sewer now. Away from Radley. Oh, and then he went down awkwardly on that Maria Hargreaves tackle, who himself might have been hurt in that exchange. So
That's now Sewer and Bird out of the action this afternoon. And Talatau Amoni's already out there in the 5'8" position. You would imagine Tarek Sims will go out onto that right edge.
Baker chops him down. So on the last, it's Hunt feeding it onto Unknown. Lomax again has to get rid of it on the last. Does. Laurie, awkward. Mbai loses it. Now it comes to Tedesco, who hangs on to it this time. Away from Maguire. Now he straightens.
He's gone.
Beats one, beats another. Now he links up. Joey Manu with footwork. Away from Hunt. Still going and brought down. Sensational stuff from the Roosters. But now they need to put it over the line.
They're short.
It's Walker to Radley to Tupanua. Finally, the Roosters on the board, and they are coming back at the SCG.
Man, they've come out with some real purpose in this second half, and it's Atili Tupanua who's having a tremendous season. Out on that left edge for the Roosters, just punches into a hole off Radley. It's come on the back of 2 really poor intercepts from the Dragons, who have been left wanting to start this second half, like they're almost stuck in the shed still. They just haven't come out physically, and the Roosters running riot. Nice ball movement there. Keary to Walker, straight out to Victor Radley, who's lurking on the edge, and lovely short ball. Great short ball. Tupanua crashes over, and the Roosters on the board for the first time this afternoon.
The Dragons with their injury woes, the Roosters with their second half form. Oh, has that come off? Yes, certainly has. This is big. And it comes away for the Dragons. Momorowski drew them in. Ravalawa down the sideline. Oh, and he's coat-angered by Tupou.
Time off.
Now, likely to go and report.
Ash.
It's a reflex.
I don't believe it's as bad as it looks.
And it's not going to be 10 in the bin.
Lomax with the no-look pass. He reacted straight away. Ravalawa. Well, that's a good old-fashioned coat hanger.
Is it? It's going to be 10. The bunker's looking. Oh, hang on.
Well, he had ample time to lower his target.
That's got some ferocity about it.
On report. Yes.
So the Dragons,
that's it.
The Dragons complaining. Tupou. Hutchison looks left. Walker. The pass to the front man in Collins. Setting it up. With Hutchison back now. Baker. Footwork. Oh, almost. And they do it here on the last. Hutchison deep. Walker gets it on. Crichton to Suali. Keeps it alive. Manu. It's a Roosters try. And the Roosters are closing in.
Well,
2 tackles left. Walker stumbles. Gives it to Crichton. Off Fionney. Big tackle. It's the last. It's Keary rolling it in. Brilliant stuff.
Joey Manu on the outside of Fionney. The little dummy flick pass turned Moses Sully inside out. The don't argue on Hunt. Just as impressive. The tackle from Fione down the short side on Crichton. An absolute perler. Yeah, nice work, Keary.
It's all fine. Now, is it a 40-20? It's a 40-20!
What was Tupou doing? What was Daniel Tupou doing?
Adam G was yelling, inside, inside. He didn't know Tupou.
What was he doing?
And now the crowd realises this might have iced the game.
What an afternoon it's been from the Dragons halfback. Watch his body position and just how he turns himself sideways.
Now Hunt tries to put Sewer through. 2 minutes left. Molo the decoy. Hunt, distributor. The Bellin, straight. Goes long. Baker keeps it going. Tupanua. Oh, the loose pass. That's okay. Walker now. Down the sideline, Walker. In it goes to Tupou. That's off Dragons' hands. It's gone backwards. It's going to win him the game. The Dragons are going to hold on. It is a remarkable finish. He joins the pantheon of astounding endings to the Anzac Day Cup game. They just need to avoid the steal. Oh, what guts.
Look at Ravalawa. Look at the Red V faithful.
Have you seen a victory as hard-earned as this? It's the Dragons at the Sydney Cricket Ground.